Welcome to another short English story. In today's story, we will talk about making lunch. So, let's start. I am hungry. It is 12 o'clock. It is time for lunch. Today I want to cook some pasta. I take a pot. I fill it up with water. Then, I put the pot on the stove. I turn on the stove. Then, I add a little salt and oil to the water. While the water boils, I cut the vegetables for the sauce. I cut 2 red tomatoes, 1 green pepper, and a small onion. Now that the water is boiling, I add the pasta to the pot and stir the pasta with a spoon. Then I put another pan on the stove. I turn on a small fire under the pan and add the vegetables. I cook the vegetables slowly with a bit of oil and a pinch of salt. Then, I stir them gently. After 10 minutes, the pasta is ready. I turn off the stove. I pour out the water and put the pasta on a plate. Then I add the hot vegetable sauce on top of the pasta. It looks colorful and smells really good. Lunch is ready. I sit at the table and eat my lunch. It was a delicious lunch. I feel happy and full. I love cooking simple meals like this. And you? What do you like to cook and eat for lunch? Thank you for listening to this short English story. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy stories. See you next time.